Hi, so this is a brand new hair piece that I got installed, and now I just need to do some customizations to be more me, feeling more like me. It's just a few simple tricks that I do, which is just adding in some like side bangs, like curtain bangs, and I will have to kind of cut a little bit of the length just because my previous length was around here, and this one, even though I like the extra length, it's just too obvious that it's so long. You see, it's really long. So let's start. So what I do is I just comb it out. Okay. And the first time I always do it conservatively because you can always come back and do more, like as time goes by. Okay, so what I do is like from the highest point of your eyebrows, this is where you want to start in like letter A, you know, like you're getting, let's say, 2 fingers width, like here. You are going diagonally all the way to like that area, and you separate this. Okay, you can use some clips just to get it out of the way. Then I do the same for this side. This is just the first version. So it's like a letter A, you know, like it's like letter A. And you see, it's just like not too big of like the height, it's just like maybe 2 fingers width, like from the start. Because as time goes by, I sometimes add more of the front to be included in the hairlines, in the bangs, so then I will just add more, but for the start I just do that. You can add more precision here now. Okay, that's it. Okay, and for this side you just check if it is more or less the same, so you have some sort of relatively same for both sides. Okay, once that is created, you take the comb, you comb it out. Okay, then the really important part. So you take it down, because I want it to be around my chin length. I will cut it a bit below, even like give it more space, because it jumps up. So I want to first go like more like on the safe side. You twist it, okay, and then use good scissors and just cut it. That's it. And this is what you will have as a first go, which is not bad. Now I just take it, if I have some stray ones, Okay, that's already looks better, and for the first time it's fine. Then you can do this. This is like what professional stylists always do. So you take it and then you go like this, just to blunt the edges. So they're just more wispy. At the end it looks more natural. So just go like across it like this. Okay, you see? So this is just the first version, because I usually have those in my style. So when I wear like some like hair up, it just adds that kind of frame to the face, and also it always makes the hairline not have to look perfect all the time, which you see, like I could always add more as I go and add more where I see fit, because it depends on the unit. And for now this will be it, because from my lessons over time, it's like do one pass and then go back if you need to, but don't go like overboard in one go, because this hair cannot really grow back. And you see, this already does like a nice, it's just nice framing, so it's not too heavy in the very front, which I like. I like just because, you know, like it can look wiggy if it's just too much of a hair in this area. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to split the hair. Pretty much it's already split in half, but I will split it all the way to the back and bring it forward, so I can just cut a little bit of this length. Just it's so long. Okay, so what I will do, I will also go like conservatively this time, first time, and just cut around here. Like this. Try to keep the hair, your head, in like in the same position when you cut on each side, so it's the same. Now I will try to match this. Okay. I'm by no means a professional, so if you have like a stylist that can do this for you, go to the stylist. But I don't have anybody that can do this for alternative hair. So I'm just I learned how to just make it good enough. So what I'm doing now is just adding this transition a little bit. So you just go like this in the front row, this first, and also what you can do the same. Just to have those blunt ends a bit more natural. But What you can do if you have thinning shears, you can also use them just in the very bottom to make it more natural, so it doesn't really look too blunt. Okay, we'll do the same here. That's it for now. If I see something strange, I will just redo it, but let's see. That's good for the start. I'll stop here. And sometimes what I also do, I'll put it in a ponytail to see if it's pretty much even. Let's see, just a low pony to see if I bring it forward, how it looks like. You can do a little bit of this blunting here. This is from yesterday. I didn't install, but I had to kind of make it work with my hair here. So it's like I will probably pull out some baby hairs here, but yeah, it's okay for now. This one is always better, like right side always. I can make better things with my right hand, but okay. So this is it. Obviously you could now wear it like this easily. Let's see. And also if I see that something would look better when I'm like in the ponytail and I can naturally see that some hairs would be better to be included, then I would just add them as well, but I will see how I go about it. For now, this is first go, and if you've seen, it's really easy to do, and for somebody that doesn't have any like stylist experience, this is just doable and something I kind of learned in my like 10 years of doing my own hair, and I had to find ways to be able to just also do basic styling, if you can even call this styling. Okay, that's it. Hope this helps. This is still long and I'm kind of loving it, so see you in the next video and let me know if you have any questions.